starting an adventure with the S song. S is for shark, like the deep, the deep. S is for swan, in the lake they sleep. S is for snake, slithering and slide. S is for squirrel in the tree so high. S, animals galore, so many creatures to explore. S is for seahorse, drifting with the tide. S is for skunk, better hide. S is for sloth, slow in the tree. S is for sheep, fluffy as can be. S is for salamander on the